Guys, welcome with another video. In this video, we will discuss about National University of Medical Science admission, that is for 2020. So you can see you have to write like this in your Google. Then these steps will be here. So you have to click on this first step. So from here you can see these NUMS news. You can see NUMS entry test 2022 registration is open now for admission in MBBS and BDS session, and admission to sixth batch of CHPE certificate. So this is another they are offering, so you can apply here as well. So mentioned below there are different information, so you can just access those as well. So from here you can see the admission of sixth batch, that is application. So for that you must have picture and candidate CNIC basic degree, that is of 16 years of education. So it's for those who had cleared their 16 years of education, higher degree if any, valid registration. So after successfully attachment of scan copies, click submit and upload successful admission challan, and candidates are required to visit branch of HPL, and after submission fee scan the paid challan here in your portal. There is no need to send printed form on their campus. So to apply for online you have to click here. So here is the processing fee, that is 1000, registration with late fee, that is 2000. So course fee you can access this 21st September 2022 60,000, and with late fee you can see 10,000 will be added. So here is the detail of this course. So you can see duration 6 months, credit 12 credits, so number of courses in 5 to 6 weeks. So eligibility criteria: MBBS PDS equivalent, BS nursing, BS AHS. So over learning you can see these, and online registration from 25th of July to 24th of August. So you can access these as well. So let's go into MBBS PDS. So from here you can see these different information, like from here you can see MBBS PDS admission registration, and you can also access here admission open for these BS social health and these different majors as well. So let's go here. So you can access information. You can see the NUMS being admitted university conduct test MBBS BDS 2022 to 2023 for admission in following constituent affiliated and all military army forces admitted medical and dental college. So you can access this Army Medical College Pindi, and dental selection in Pindi and private sector. So you can see these Bahria, CMH and CMH in Bahawalpur, Cantt, and Kharian, Cantt, Lahore, Cantt, Multan, Cantt, Islamabad, Karachi, Islamabad. So Taxila, Cantt, Malir, Cantt, Quetta, Cantt, Bahria, Cantt, and these colleges of private, like you can say Bahria University, Sims Dental College, Foundation University, and CMH Lahore, and HITEC Dental College. So you can see these different majors as well. You can see in second point, NUMS test will be held on 9th of October 2022. Subject test mandatory for admission in on above mentioned medical and dental colleges. So schedule, you can see registration start from 26th July, means from today, to 19th of August 2022, 1600 hours, means 4 p.m. So online late registration 22nd September, and NUMS entry test will be on 9th October as we discussed. So registration fee is 3,500, non-refundable. So registration late fee 5,000, registration for international exam center, that is 20,000, and with late fee 30,000. So the test will be conducted simultaneously at all local examination centers at 11 a.m. PST, Pakistan Standard Time. So time for test, all international centers will be indicated on the admit card. So basic qualification: the candidate having citizen of Pakistan overseas or dual national, foreign national can appear in NUMS test. So FSC or HSSC A-level 12th grade awaiting result can also apply for this. NUMS entry test on 3rd October 2021 is not valid for admission in this intake. So passing PMC MDCAT with 65% shall be mandatory for admission in MBBS and 55% for BDS. So here are the details. Public announcement dated 16th of May 2022. So entry test location for Islamabad you can see, and Punjab, these are the cities: Bahawalpur, DG Khan, Islamabad, Gujranwala, Pfau, Lahore, Multan, Ukhara, Rawalpindi, Sialkot and Sargodha. For Sindh, Hyderabad, Karachi and Panu. For KPK, Ahmedabad, DI Khan and Peshawar. For AJK, Muzaffarabad, and for Balochistan, Quetta and international, these tests will be held in UAE, UK and Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So choice of local center, the candidate must select any two of above mentioned cities in order preference of appearance in entry test. However, based on the upon seating capacity available in city, so these will be arranged according to that. So pattern for this entry test: part A shall carry 95% NUMS entry test, and B shall consist of 150 one best option type multiple choice questions with a stipulated time of 150 minutes with the following breakdown, like biology 35%, chemistry 25, physics 25, 10 English, and in part 2 psychological test that shall carry 5% weightage of NUMS entry test. So shall consist of 100 one best option means MCQ type question that will be of 30 minutes. So there will be no negative marks. Additional details will be on answer sheet. You can also visit here. So syllabus of NUMS, you can also go through here. So you have to prepare these 4 subjects and psychological test as well. So syllabus, here is the syllabus. So how to apply? We have to go for this website and we have to apply. So from here, almost that same information. So these are the main things to apply. So click here for register, and these are the information we have to provide. So go for here. So first of all, we have to click for first time registration. So you can see here is a CNIC. So I have to enter my CNIC. So student name is per document, and student email, teacher scholar@gmail.com. So you have to enter your password as well. So from here you can write your password, and you have to again write your password here, and these captions. So E99SB6. So go for register. This is for local. So if you are applying international or those mentioned countries or from anywhere, you have to click on international student. So for now I'm clicking no. So upload your passport size photo. So from docs I will go for my passport size photo and upload. So you can see file uploaded successfully. So upload front size of CNIC passport. So I can click on any thing that can be as CNIC, but you have to upload your original CNIC front photo. And start from here 01/01/1999, and for gender you have to click here. For parent or guardian name, so you have to write your parent name and parent or guardian CNIC. So mobile number and your student email, that is same. So province, you have to click here Sindh, like that's mine. So for district, I have to click on my domicile of student. So city of residence, that is same in my case. So here is Amepuka. So choose nationality types. So I'm Pakistani. If you're a foreigner, you can click here. If you're overseas Pakistan, means you have basic nationality of your country and you are living outside of your country, so you have to click here. Dual nationality, that means same, but you have another nationality from another country. So HSC, FSC, 12th grade graduate institution name. So government boys college, and postal address PO Mirpur Khas. So go for here preference. So Pakistan, and test center Sindh, and first of all Karachi, and again Pakistan. So same Sindh and Hyderabad, and you have to click on save. So you can see profile information successfully added. So you have to move up and go for second. So this is a third step. We have just filled our first two steps. So download fee challan. From here you can download your challan. So you can see you have to go for that. So you can see the challan is mentioned here. So deposit slip ID, my name, my CNIC, you have to overlook here, and all information, depositor name and depositor CNIC. So this is a total fee of 3,500. So if you will paid your challan, so you have to upload here again, and this is a complete procedure of applying in NUMS for medical. So this is all from my side. Thanks so much for watching.